Hello guys, welcome to Noor Online YouTube channel. This is your boy. What we are going to talk about today is how to fix your mouse problem. If your mouse is stuck or freeze on the screen of the computer right here like this, and it freezes, it does not do anything, you press left, you press right, it does not function, there's solution. And if you also mess up your computer mouse, let's say you go to setting, you change some setting, and then when you try to click right, it does not do anything. You press left, it does not do anything. So this is right, it functions, but when you press it, it does not appear there on the screen. I mean, when you want to do some activities. Well, let's simply go direct into the mouse. So let's put mouse. Let's click that mouse setting. Simply go direct into start menu and then type the setting there. So this is what will happen. This screen will appear. You can see it right now. We have mouse, select your primary button. Let's say if you want to use your right hand side of the mouse, or your right mouse to be the primary button, and you put it to right like this, you mean that your computer mouse function will change. If you use to left and then you put it to right, it means that you're going to use right as your primary button. But if you use left, this is by default. So by default, left is the option that they already given mouse. So even for you, don't have to change that because it comes together with the computer. But let's just simply say that you mess up this. What I want you to do is that within the same screen, this is Windows 10. It might look different from Windows 7 or Windows 10 and Windows 8, they're the same thing, but Windows 7 is a little bit different, and Windows XP or Vista. So here we have option right here. So even if you do this thing, it cannot fix the problem, but there's a way to do that. You have to go to additional mouse option right here. At the right top corner of the screen, you can simply click additional mouse option, and then here you can see mouse appear, okay, on the system. Okay, so this thing will appear. While you are on this, what I want you to do right now is by simply going direct into pointer option, wheel, hardware. Okay, if you've seen that these are the driver hardware what you are using, if this thing does not shown on your computer like that, it means that you do not have a mouse inside your computer. So you have to make sure that you have this device properties, or it say location is on USB input device, so which means that you are using a mouse as a device or external mouse. So this way you can be able to understand if the mouse is there or not. So we have the hardware already in place. You have to go to wheel. Okay, roll the wheel one touch, no scroll. Let's say you want to scroll with your mouse, that's a scroll button up there. This is small wheel on the mouse. We have pointer options. This one determines the speed of your mouse. Let's say let me try to do this. Okay, now you can see it run very fast. But if I put it here in the end, let me put it right here. So you can see I'm trying to move my mouse, it moves so slow. You can see I'm doing this. Okay, so it will give you a time. What you got to do, you have to put it in the middle as a dipole. Okay, so you can, okay, let me put it here. Yeah, that's a dipole right there. And when you put it on the default, you can simply apply it. Okay, you have to apply this option. There's apply option right here. You have to apply it. Hold on. So let's wait. You apply the change. So you don't have to panic because you need to see the change. So let's wait. Yep. Now it is already. I already apply it, or you simply put OK. You go to pointers, and then you can select one of these if you want. Okay. Let's say I need to use this stuff, and then I can simply say OK. But there's a default. I do not have to change anything from there. And then you go to button, which is very important. Let's just say it, you click this, you switch primary and secondary button like I showed you here earlier. If you click it, maybe unknowingly you do not know that you have ticked it, and then you applied. Remember this, you can see that there is a color here. Let me untick that. It will go to left. Okay. Oh, I even tried the left button, it does not work. You can hear the sound. So let me press right. Yep, you can see that it changed. It means that by default a left is the primary button for the mouse, and then right is the secondary mouse button. So you have to leave this thing the way it was. It has to be left. But if you press this, it means that it is right already, so it is already taken an effect. So all you gotta do is use the right to untick it, left to tick it, right to untick it to get to the default part, and then you can apply it when you are done. So this is how you can fix your mouse problem. All you gotta do is simply go to start menu and start typing mouse, and then go to mouse setting like this. Sorry, let me get this thing on the way. Okay, all you gotta do is simply go to start menu and then goes to mouse setting. You can see mouse setting is right there, and then you click it, and then this screen will appear just like that. So you can simply go to additional mouse option, okay, and you can change all the options that I shown you already. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please try to hit the like or dislike or comment, and then do not forget to subscribe. God bless you. Bye bye.